China is one of the world's oldest civilizations, known for its rich history, vast landscapes, and cultural traditions. Here are 10 fun facts about China. Ancient civilization. China has over 5,000 years of recorded history, with countless dynasties shaping its culture. Great Wall. The Great Wall of China stretches more than 21,000 kilometers, making it the longest structure ever built by humans. Cultural symbol. The dragon is a traditional symbol of power, strength, and good luck in Chinese culture. Cuisine variety. Chinese food is incredibly diverse, from spicy Sichuan dishes to delicate Cantonese dim sum. Pandas. Native to Sichuan province, giant pandas are a national treasure and a symbol of conservation. Festivals, Chinese New Year and the Mid-Autumn Festival are celebrated with lanterns, dragon dances, and family gatherings. Inventions. China gave the world paper, printing, gunpowder, and the compass. Landscapes. The country has everything from deserts and mountains to tropical forests and modern megacities. Traditional arts, calligraphy, opera, and martial arts like kung fu are central to Chinese cultural identity. Modern growth. Today, China has the world's fastest high-speed trains and rapidly growing futuristic cities. The Great Wall of China, one of the greatest wonders ever built by humankind, stands as an eternal symbol of Chinese history. Stretching over 21,000 kilometers, it winds across rugged mountains, lush valleys, and vast deserts, creating a landscape that is both majestic and mysterious. Despite the passage of thousands of years, the wall remains an enduring monument, reminding us of human determination, intelligence, and strength in protecting the homeland and overcoming nature's challenges. The origins of the Great Wall date back to the 7th century BC, when regional states built defensive walls against invasions. During the reign of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, these fragmented sections were linked to form the first large-scale unified defense system. Later dynasties, especially the Ming, expanded, reinforced, and perfected the structure, giving it the solid and impressive appearance we recognize today. In the modern era, the Great Wall is more than a relic of history. It is a world-renowned travel destination. Visitors can walk along its ancient steps, gaze out at endless mountain vistas, and feel the profound connection between human effort and a history spanning millennia. It is an experience that inspires awe, reflection, and admiration in every traveler who sets foot here. The Forbidden City, also known as the Imperial Palace, is the historical and cultural heart of Beijing. Once the residence and political center of 24 emperors from the Ming and Qing dynasties, it stood at the core of Chinese power for nearly 500 years. Covering over 720,000 square meters, with nearly 1,000 buildings and 8,700 rooms, it is the largest surviving palace complex in the world. Its golden roofs, imposing red walls, and exquisitely detailed carvings make it an everlasting symbol of traditional Chinese architecture and imperial grandeur. Construction of the Forbidden City began in 1406 under Emperor Yongle of the Ming dynasty and lasted 14 years, involving hundreds of thousands of craftsmen and laborers. Precious materials were sourced from across the empire: rare timber from the southwest, massive stones from Beijing's outskirts, all meticulously arranged. The design strictly followed feng shui principles, reinforcing the emperor's image as the son of heaven and the supreme authority over the land. Today, the Forbidden City is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but also a living museum that preserves millions of priceless artifacts. Visitors walking through the Meridian Gate into its vast courtyards and grand halls can feel the awe-inspiring atmosphere of imperial China and marvel at the magnificence that has endured for centuries. The Bund, also known as Weitan, is the most iconic landmark of Shanghai. Stretching about 1.5 kilometers along the Huangpu River, it is often referred to as an open-air museum of world architecture. The area is lined with historic buildings in Gothic, Baroque, Neoclassical, and Art Deco styles, constructed between the late 19th and early 20th centuries, reflecting the city's cultural fusion and rapid economic rise. The Bund's history began in the 19th century, when Shanghai was transformed into an international trading port after the Opium Wars. What was once a quiet riverbank quickly grew into a bustling financial and commercial hub, attracting foreign banks, trading houses, and consulates. Majestic buildings were erected to showcase prosperity, and to this day, they stand as vivid reminders of Shanghai's golden age as the Paris of the East. Today, the Bund is not only a historical site, but also a vantage point to admire the modern skyline of Shanghai. Standing along the Huangpu River, visitors can witness the striking contrast. On one side, Western-style heritage buildings, and on the other, futuristic skyscrapers of Zhangjiajie, including the Oriental Pearl Tower. This juxtaposition creates a unique blend of past and present, making the Bund an unforgettable destination. Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, is a city where ancient history, vibrant culture, and modern life blend seamlessly. Known as the hometown of giant pandas, Chengdu offers a truly unique experience for travelers who seek spicy cuisine, traditional opera, and breathtaking landscapes. The highlight of a trip to Chengdu is visiting the giant panda breeding research base. Here, visitors can witness China's most beloved animal up close, from playful panda cubs to majestic adults munching on bamboo. Chengdu is also a paradise for food lovers. The legendary Sichuan hot pot, with its fiery chili and numbing peppercorns, delivers a dining experience you will never forget. Art enthusiasts can enjoy the Sichuan opera face-changing performance, where actors swap masks in the blink of an eye, a mesmerizing secret art form. Beyond the city, Chengdu is the gateway to natural wonders such as Zhoushan Valley, Huanglong Scenic Area, and the sacred Mount Emei. With its harmony of nature, culture, and warm-hearted people, Chengdu truly stands out as an unforgettable stop on any journey through China. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, located in Hunan Province, is one of China's most breathtaking natural wonders. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1992, the park is renowned for its towering sandstone pillars, many of which rise dramatically into the sky, shrouded in mist and lush greenery. This surreal landscape famously inspired the floating mountains in the blockbuster film Avatar, propelling Zhangjiajie into international fame. The park's formation is the result of geological processes that took place over hundreds of millions of years. The soaring stone columns were shaped by weathering, erosion from wind and water, and complex tectonic activities. The outcome is a natural labyrinth of thousands of vertical peaks, deep ravines, and crystal-clear streams, creating a scenery so otherworldly that it feels like stepping into a fantasy world. Ode, Zhangjiajie is not only a paradise for adventurers and photographers, but also a must-visit destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in nature's magnificence. Glass bridges, aerial cableways, and forest trails offer thrilling yet enchanting experiences. It is truly a place where humans can feel the overwhelming power and beauty of the natural world. The Canton Tower, also known as the Guangzhou Tower, stands as one of China's most iconic modern landmarks. Officially opened in 2010 during the Asian Games, the tower quickly became a symbol of Guangzhou's rapid urban development. Rising over 600 meters in height, it once held the title of the tallest tower in the world and remains among the highest observation structures today. The tower's unique design is inspired by a twisting spiral, giving it a graceful, fluid silhouette, unlike traditional skyscrapers. By day, it resembles a massive steel sculpture stretching into the sky, while at night, its dazzling LED lighting system transforms it into a luminous beacon reflecting on the Pearl River. The constantly changing colors make it one of the most photographed sites in the city. Today, Canton Tower is not only an observation platform offering breathtaking panoramic views, but also an entertainment hub. It features a revolving restaurant, cinemas, and thrilling rides perched at the very top. The tower represents a harmonious blend of engineering, artistry, and modern tourism, making it a must-visit attraction for anyone exploring Guangzhou. The Potala Palace, perched atop Mapo Ri Hill in Lhasa, Tibet, is one of the most majestic symbols of Tibetan Buddhism and culture. Originally constructed in the 7th century, during the reign of King Songtsen Gampo, and magnificently expanded in the 17th century under the 5th Dalai Lama, the palace once served as the spiritual and political center of Tibet. Rising over 3,700 meters above sea level with its towering 13-story structure, the Potala appears as a sacred fortress standing proudly against the Himalayan backdrop. Its architecture showcases a remarkable fusion of traditional Tibetan artistry and robust engineering. The thick white walls, gleaming golden roofs, and countless chapels adorned with intricate decorations create an atmosphere of sacred magnificence. Inside, visitors can find thousands of statues, murals, and ancient scriptures that preserve Tibet's invaluable heritage of history, spirituality, and art. Today, the Potala Palace is not only a vital pilgrimage destination, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It attracts travelers worldwide, offering them a glimpse into the mystical beauty and cultural depth of Tibet, making it a treasure of both architecture and spirituality. Mount Everest, standing at 8,148 meters, is the highest peak on Earth, located in the Himalayas between Nepal and Tibet. In Nepal, it is known as Sagarmatha, meaning forehead of the sky, while in Tibet, it is revered as Chomolungma, or Mother of the Universe. These names reflect the sacred and mystical aura surrounding this majestic mountain. The formation of Everest dates back millions of years, when the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate, pushing the Himalayan range skyward. Rocks that once lay beneath an ancient sea were thrust upward, creating the towering summit that we now call the roof of the world. This powerful geological process gave birth to Everest's dramatic cliffs and breathtaking landscapes. Everest represents both an ultimate challenge for mountaineers and a timeless symbol of human determination to push beyond limits. At the same time, it serves as a natural laboratory, offering insights into climate, geology, and the unique cultures of Himalayan peoples. It remains a wonder that inspires awe across the globe. Nanjing, located on the banks of the Yangtze River, is considered one of China's most significant ancient capitals. With a history of more than 2,500 years, it once served as the capital of several dynasties, from the Eastern Wu of the Three Kingdoms period, the Ming Dynasty, to the Republic of China. For this reason, it is often called the City of 10 Dynasties. The formation and rise of Nanjing are closely tied to its strategic location. Situated along the middle reaches of the Yangtze River, the city benefited from fertile land, favorable climate, and vital trade routes, making it a political, cultural, and commercial hub. The massive ancient city walls, once stretching over 30 kilometers, stand as a testament to its role in defense and governance throughout history. Today, Nanjing is a city where history and modernity coexist in harmony. Landmarks such as the Mingjiaoling Mausoleum, Confucius Temple, and the Nanjing City Wall continue to attract millions of visitors each year. At the same time, the city has grown into a center for education and technology, symbolizing the balance between heritage and progress, and affirming its enduring importance in China's story. Shangri-la, located in Yunnan province, is often associated with the earthly paradise described in James Hilton's novel Lost Horizon. For decades, it has symbolized a mythical land where people live in harmony with nature and traditions remain untouched. Formerly known as Zhangjiajie, the region officially adopted the name Shangri-La in 2001 to honor its enchanting appeal. The landscape of Shangri-La was shaped by the majestic Chengdu mountain range, lush valleys, and high-altitude plateaus rising more than 3,000 meters above sea level. Its pure climate, expansive meadows, crystal-clear lakes, and pristine forests together paint a breathtaking image of paradise. Adding to its charm, Shangri-La is home to a unique blend of cultures, particularly Tibetan, Naxi, and other ethnic minorities, making it not only a natural wonder, but also a vibrant cultural crossroads. Today, Shangri-La attracts travelers from around the globe with its dreamlike scenery and spiritual treasures. The Songsanlin Monastery, one of the largest Tibetan Buddhist monasteries in the region, stands as a spiritual beacon. Alongside this, folk festivals and the simple, authentic way of life of the locals give visitors a profound sense of peace. Shangri-La is more than a destination. It is a dream come to life. Hong Kong, located along the South China Sea, is one of Asia's most vibrant and modern cities, as well as a unique crossroads between East and West. Its history began as a small fishing village, but it became a British colony in 1842 under the Treaty of Nanjing. This transformation laid the foundation for Hong Kong's rise as an international port and a global commercial hub. In 1997, Hong Kong was handed back to China under the principle of one country, two systems, allowing the city to retain its vital role in global finance and trade. The growth of Hong Kong is closely tied to its distinctive geography, a cluster of islands, peninsulas, and mountains interwoven with deep-water harbors. This natural advantage fostered its maritime trade and made it one of the busiest ports in the world. Today, its skyline, filled with soaring skyscrapers, stands in striking contrast with the surrounding natural beauty, from Victoria Harbour to the green of Victoria Peak. For travellers, Hong Kong offers a remarkable blend of experiences. Visitors can immerse themselves in bustling city life, savor diverse culinary delights, explore historic temples, or retreat into tranquil natural landscapes. Hong Kong remains a living testament to the harmony of tradition and modernity, making it a destination of endless fascination. Shenzhen, located in Guangdong Province and bordering Hong Kong, is one of the fastest-growing and most dynamic cities in China. Only a few decades ago, it was a small fishing village with a modest population. The turning point came in 1980, when the Chinese government designated Shenzhen as the country's first special economic zone. Since then, it has undergone a remarkable transformation, becoming a symbol of China's reform and opening up policies. The city's growth is closely linked to its strategic location, adjacent to Hong Kong, with a long coastline and well-connected transport networks. Shenzhen quickly evolved into an international hub of commerce, finance, and technology. Its skyline of futuristic skyscrapers, high-tech industrial parks, and busy seaports has earned it the reputation of a city of the future. Beyond its economic might, Shenzhen also offers cultural richness and natural beauty. Visitors can explore Lianhua Mountain Park, the splendid China folk village, or relax along the beaches of Dalmatia. The city is also known for its bold architectural designs and thriving contemporary art scene, reflecting its spirit of innovation. Today, Shenzhen is often referred to as China's Silicon Valley, home to many of the nation's leading tech giants. It stands as a vivid example of rapid modernization combined with the relentless drive for creativity, making it a city that embodies China's vision for the future. Wuhan, the capital of Hubei province, is often called the Chicago of the East for its strategic location and vital role in trade and transportation. The city emerged from the union of three historic towns, Hankou, Hanyang, and Wuchang, which officially merged in 1927 to form modern Wuhan. Positioned at the confluence of the Yangtze River and the Han River, it has long been a hub for commerce, culture, and logistics in central China. The city's development is closely tied to its river systems, which fostered prosperous trade and mobility. Throughout history, Wuhan has also served as a political and military stronghold, most notably as the birthplace of the 1911 Wuchang Uprising that ended imperial rule in China. Today, Wuhan is a thriving center for industry, education, and research. It also draws visitors to landmarks such as the legendary Yellow Crane Tower, the scenic East Lake, and its rich culinary traditions. Wuhan stands as a city where modern progress harmonizes with deep historical significance, offering both vitality and cultural depth. Phoenix Ancient Town, located in western Hunan province, is one of China's most picturesque ancient towns, often described as a pearl resting along the Tuojiang River. Established more than 1,300 years ago during the Tang dynasty, the town has preserved its timeless charm, blending Han culture with the traditions of minority groups such as the Miao and Tujia. Stone-paved streets, wooden stilt houses leaning against the mountains, and the gentle river meandering through the town create a romantic and poetic atmosphere. The formation of Phoenix Ancient Town is closely tied to its strategic location along the river and in the mountains, which provided both commercial advantages and natural defenses. According to legend, the town was named Phoenix because the surrounding mountains resemble two phoenixes soaring gracefully into the sky. Today, Phoenix Ancient Town captivates visitors not only with its ancient scenery, but also with its rich cultural life. Travelers can admire historic stone bridges, wooden towers, and remnants of old city walls, while also tasting traditional delicacies and joining lively folk festivals. The town represents a perfect harmony between past and present, offering a living painting of history and culture. Shanghai, China's largest city, is often called the Paris of the East for its harmonious blend of modernity and tradition. Situated at the mouth of the Yangtze River, Shanghai has long served as a crucial gateway for trade and commerce. By the 19th century, it had already become an international hub, attracting cultures from around the world and shaping a unique identity. The beauty of Shanghai lies in its fascinating contrasts. On one side stands the futuristic skyline of Zhuangjiajie, home to landmarks such as the Shanghai Tower, Jinmao Tower, and the World Financial Center. On the other side lies the Bund, lined with historic European-style buildings that recall the city's colonial past. Bustling streets, the vibrant Nanjing Road shopping district, and the traditional city god temple market showcase the city's dynamic lifestyle. Beyond architecture and commerce, Shanghai is also a cultural center, boasting museums, theaters, and a diverse culinary scene that combines regional Chinese flavors with international influences. The city embodies both the pulse of modern China and the charm of its heritage, making it an essential destination for anyone exploring the country. Fuxian Lake, located in Yunnan province, is one of the deepest and purest freshwater lakes in China. With a depth of over 150 meters, it is renowned for its crystal-clear waters, earning the title the Green Jewel of the Yunnan Plateau. Local legends tell of ancient ruins lying beneath its shimmering surface, sparking curiosity and adding an air of mystery to its natural beauty. The scenery around the lake is breathtaking. Turquoise waters mirror the clear skies and the encircling mountain ranges. The refreshing air and rich ecosystem, home to many endemic fish species, make Fuxian Lake a paradise for nature lovers and explorers alike. Today, the lake is not only a peaceful retreat, but also an important site for ecological and biological research. Its pristine waters support unique biodiversity, drawing scientists as well as travelers in search of tranquility. Standing before the vast, serene expanse, one cannot help but feel the harmony between nature and history, an almost magical blend that makes Fuxian Lake unforgettable. Zhoushan Island, located in Zhejiang province, is the largest island in the Zhoushan archipelago, the biggest island group in China, consisting of thousands of islands. Known for its stunning seascapes, golden sandy beaches, and fresh seafood, Zhoushan has long been a favorite destination for leisure and relaxation. Among its highlights is Mount Putuo, a sacred Buddhist site that combines natural beauty with spiritual significance. The island's formation traces back to ancient geological processes, as massive granite outcrops were gradually surrounded by the sea, shaping a landscape that ranges from smooth sandy shores to dramatic coastal cliffs. The waters are crystal clear, and at sunset, the island glows with golden light, creating a scene that is both majestic and romantic. Today, Zhoushan offers more than just beaches and seafood. Visitors can explore traditional fishing villages, enjoy boat tours across the surrounding islets, or take part in local sea festivals that celebrate the region's maritime culture. His combination of natural splendor and cultural depth makes Zhoushan Island a destination where travelers can both relax and discover the rich heritage of China's coastal life. Our journey through China has led us across majestic natural landscapes, monumental historical landmarks, and vibrant modern cities. From the mighty Great Wall winding over rugged mountains to the grandeur of the Forbidden City, from the surreal stone pillars of Zhangjiajie to the crystal waters of Fuxian Lake and the sparkling seas of Zhoushan, every destination has told its own story. China fascinates not only with its breathtaking diversity of scenery, but also with the depth of its culture and the creativity that has flourished for thousands of years. Whether strolling through the dazzling streets of Shanghai, wandering the dreamy gardens of Suzhou, or finding peace at sacred places like Mount Putuo, travelers can feel the seamless blend of heritage and progress. As our journey draws to a close, we realize that the beauty of China is not only captured in photographs, but also in memories, emotions, and the connections each place evokes. It is this harmony between the seen and the felt that makes the adventure unforgettable, leaving us inspired to return, explore further, and continue writing our own stories with every step taken on this vast and timeless land.